Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Take the pledge first. I, Rajandeep Kaur, commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risks to myself and my colleagues from COVID 19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors, to always wear a mask or face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together we will win this fight against COVID 19. Today our topic is Hode Wale Shabad. First one is Mama, Mummy nu hoda more. Tadda, Tadde nu hoda to, Lalla, टोल. कक्का, कक्के नु होड़ा को, टैंका, कोट. तत्ता, तत्ते नु होड़ा तो, तत्ते नु कन्ना ता, तोता. नेक्स्ट कग्गे नु होड़ा को, डाड़े नु कन्ना डा, कोड़ा. नेक्स्ट मम्मी नु होड़ा मो, टैंके नु कन्ना टा, मोटा. Last one is चच्चे नु होड़ा चो, रारा, चोर. Repeat it all with me. मोर, टोल, कोट, तोता, कोड़ा, मोटा, चोर. And do this work on your favorite notebooks. Next, we will read page number 27. Now open that page in your Swar Sarovar book. Let's begin. Identify this picture. Mamma, mummy nu hoda mo, rara, more. Tatta, tatte nu hoda to, tatte nu kanna ta, तोता. टड्डे नु होड़ा टो, लल्ला, टोल. See this picture? टोल. Next, कग्गे नु होड़ा को, डाड़े नु कन्नाडा, कोड़ा. What is this बच्चों? कोड़ा. कक्के नु होड़ा को, टैंका, कोट. What is this? कोट. मम्मी नु होड़ा मो, टैंके नु कन्नाटा, मोटा, मोटा. Next, मम्मी नु होड़ा मो, टैंके नु see it again. मम्मी नु होड़ा मो, टैंका रारा टर, मोटर. कक्के नु होड़ा को, ईड़ी नु सिहारी ए, लल्ला, कोयल, कोयल. खक्के पैर विंदी ख, रारा, खर. गग्गे नु होड़ा गो, सस्से पैर विंदी श, गोश. खरगोश, खरगोश. Today for your EVS assignment, open page number 15. Today our topic is stationery items. Stationery items. First is geometry box. Geometry box. Scale, scale. Ink pot, ink pot. Sketch pens, sketch pens. slate, slate, calculator, calculator, compass, compass. Next, crayons. All these are crayons. Eraser, eraser, ball pen, ball pen, pencil. With pencil you write na, pencil. Fountain pen, fountain pen, sharpener, sharpener, chart, chart. Now come to the questions. Question number 1 is, what do you use to write on a slate? आप स्लेट पे कैसे लिखते हो? With chalk, chalk. What is the use of a sharpener? Sharpener का क्या यूज होता है? The answer is for sharpening pencil, for sharpening pencil. Next question is, what is the use of a compass? Compass किस चीज़ के लिए यूज होती है? To draw circle, to draw circle. What is the use of a scale? Scale का क्या यूज होता है? To draw straight line, to draw straight line. Repeat it all with me. What do you use to write on a slate? Chalk. What is the use of a sharpener? For sharpening pencil. What is the use of a compass? To draw circle. What is the use of a scale? To draw straight line. Now we will read page number 12 of syllabus book for our conversation questions. Question number 1 is, when do we celebrate Republic Day? हम रिपब्लिक डे कब सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? आंसर इज, वी सेलिब्रेट रिपब्लिक डे ऑन 26 January. 26 January. Next question, which is our national anthem? Answer is, Jan Gan Man is our national anthem. Jan Gan Man is our national anthem. Question number 3, who is the Prime Minister of India? Answer is, Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. What is our national flag called? What is our national flag called? Our national flag is called Tiranga. Our national flag is called Tiranga. Question number 5. What are the colors of our national flag? Answer is saffron, white and green. Now repeat all these questions with me. When do we celebrate Republic Day? We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. Which is our national anthem? Jan Gan Man is our national anthem. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. What is our national flag called? Our national flag is called Tiranga. What are the colors of our national flag? Saffron, white and green. Take care. Bye.